A moonlit night on the spring river. Zhang Ruoxu. In spring, the river rises as high as the sea, and with the river's tide uprises the moon bright. She follows the rolling waves for 10,000 miles. Where are the river flows, there overflows her light. The river winds around the fragrant islet where the blooming flowers in her light all look like snow. You cannot tell her beams from hoar frost in the air, nor from white sand upon the farewell beach below. No dust has stained the water, blending with the skies. A lonely wheel-like moon shines brilliant, far and wide. Who, by the riverside, did first see the moon rise? When did the moon first see a man by riverside? Many generations have come and passed away. From year to year, the moons look alike, old and new. We do not know tonight for whom she sheds her way, but hear the river say to its water adieu. Away, away is sailing a single cloud white. On farewell beach are pining away maples green. Where is the wandering sailing his boats tonight? Who, pining away, on the moonlit rails would lean? Alas, the moon is lingering over the tower. It should have seen her dressing table all alone. She may roll curtains up, but light is in her bower. She may wash, but moonbeams still remain on the stone. She sees the moon, but her husband is out of sight. She would follow the moonbeams to shine on his face. But message-bearing swans can't fly out of moonlight, nor letter-sending fish can leap out of their place. He dreamed of flowers falling over the pool last night. Alas, spring has half gone, but he can't homeward go. The water-bearing will run away in flight. The moon over the pool will run away in flight. In the mist on the sea, the slanting moon will hide. It's a long way from northern hills to southern streams. How many can go home by moonlight on the tide? The setting moon sheds over riverside trees, but dreams.